LED light flasher. LED light flasher delivers a continuous square wave at its output. This circuit is commonly utilized for alarming and indicative purposes. In this tutorial, we will learn how to blink an LED using Arduino Uno and 1 kilo-ohm resistor. This is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected the LED's positive terminal with Arduino's pin number 11 through a 1 kilo-ohm resistor. Resistor protects the LED from high current and voltage, so it is also called a current limiting resistor. Negative terminal of the LED is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the curly brackets is the code that we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. Inside this function, we define which pin we want to use as an input pin, and which pin to use as an output pin. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the LED, so we will make pin number 11 an output pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over, unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Digital write LED pin high. It will give a high signal to pin number 11 of Arduino to turn on the LED. Delay 1000. This is a delay function. It will generate 1000 milliseconds of delay. Digital write LED pin low. It will give a low signal to pin number 11 of Arduino to turn off the LED. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now, we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 1 kilo-ohm resistor and a red LED. Now we will solder one side of the resistor with the positive terminal of red LED. Now we will take two wires, red and black. We will connect the red wire with the resistor and black wire with the cathode or negative terminal of the LED. Now we will connect it with our Arduino hardware board. Now we will power up our project and test it. We can see that LED is blinking continuously with 1 second of delay. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.